Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel for support and inspire many. Welcome in this channel and get inspired by Juma Natura Psych. I choose to inspire, support, and motivate many so we can change the world together. Ha 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 ha. Let us begin. Sometimes we think we are the only ones suffering and failing in this world. Listen to this. In life's grand tapestry, failure is but a stitch, not the final design. When the winds of adversity blow and the storms of setbacks rage, remember this. Every challenge is a stepping stone, not a roadblock. Embrace failure, for it is the chisel that sculpts character and resilience. Stay true to the path no matter how difficult it may seem, though it's filled with struggles and never-ending pain, but others will find their light because you walked the path. Others will find their way because you didn't stray away. This life is not only about you. You are here because the world needs you, and God has brought you to help others through. Own your path. No matter how tough it is, it won't end you. God is working things out through you. Find solace in this truth. If He brings you to it, He will surely take you through it. In the chapters of your life, let the story of resilience be written in bold. Failure is not the verdict. It's a comma, not a full stop. Look adversity in the eye and declare, I will rise. Your dreams are the North Star. Let them guide you through the darkest nights. Remember, the strongest trees grow amidst the strongest winds. So, stand tall in the face of failure, for it is but a brief intermission before your triumphant return to the stage of success. Never give up, for within you lies an unyielding spirit that can turn every setback into a story of victory. Please subscribe, share, and like for support for more videos.